Alright, today I'm going to teach you how to make a really yummy recipe. It sounds kind of funny, but it tastes amazing, like absolutely amazing. It is apple mustard chicken tenders. It only takes about 6 or 7 ingredients and has a weird combination of flavors, but tastes so good when you put it all together. Let's go ahead and check it out. Alrighty then, first we're going to start, I'm going to melt some butter inside my pan here. Meanwhile, I'm going to have my chicken tenders here. I cut up into smaller chunks. I'm going to cover them in pepper and in salt. And get my butter a little bit more melted down here. Hit a sizzle, sizzle, Gwen's trying to get in the camera because she's a little ham.
No.
All right, well the butter's still in there. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this chicken in there. I'm going to cook the chicken on both sides for about 4 to 6 minutes till they're nice and brown and they're no pinkness no more. So I will come back when mine's all cooked up and ready for next step. All right, now that it's nice and browned, you could probably cook it a little bit longer, but it'll get cooked more here near the end. I'm going to go ahead and take it all out, put it on a separate plate. While I was waiting, I cleaned off the plate I used earlier, so I don't waste dishes. Scoop it all out, put it on a separate plate until you're done with the next part here. All right, come on. You're trying to run away from me. Get back here. All right. The next part's the fun part. You're gonna put these in?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have my lovely assistant throw the apples in. They're a little bit brown because I had them cut for a while now. Go ahead and just pour them in there. You go ahead and put brown sugar. I'm putting about a cup in. Depends on how much you're making. I'm making a bunch, so I'm putting a cup in of brown sugar. And then I need usually a 1/4 of a cup, but I'm gonna do 1/2 a cup of stone ground brown sugar. Or not brown sugar, sorry, stone ground mustard. Wow. Don't mind me, I'm just saying random things. Good, mix it all up. I know it's gonna be kind of weird making mustard with apples, but these are Granny Smith apples. Probably the best for this, but I mean you can use other apples if you like other apples instead. These Granny Smith apples are good for cooking a lot of things. All right. And once I toss it all up and get it all combined together, so it's making that, see that nice little sauce it's making. And mix up the rest of it, make sure I get all the brown sugars all mixed up. Yeah, nice yummy sauce it's making. Looks pretty yummy, huh? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
That looks disgusting.
All right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up. We're gonna let the green apples cook covered for about 3 to 6 minutes until the apples are nice and softened. And I will come back when it's time for that. All right, it's time to check this puppy out. Let me adjust my camera just a wee bit so you guys can see it, you know what I mean? Ready? Look at that. It smells fantastic. The apples are getting nice and juicy from it, nice and soft. Now that it's cooked that long, you can go ahead and get the chicken you cooked earlier. Just slip it right back in there. Toss it around inside them yummy juices. Mix it all up. Mix it all up. And if you want to have more sauce for extra stuff, like putting on a salad or something, or if you're making extra chicken, just go ahead and add more stuff to it before you put the apples in. Let it cook up some more. Look, it's cooking all up nice and pretty like. Coating that chicken in that yummy goodness. Like I said, I know the combination sounds kind of weird, but it's fantastic. So I didn't realize my hand was in the way of the camera the whole time. And I got this nice yumminess going on. And you're ready to start serving this puppy. So you get your plate. I made mine all fancy. It's about as fancy as I get over here. Got myself some little lettuce and tomatoes on there. A little salad, side salad. Make sure I get chicken and apples on there. Some more chicken, because I want chicken. And just for fun of it, I'm going to get a little bit and drizzle it on the end of that lettuce so I can try that later too. There you go. Nice, yummy, delicious apple mustard chicken for everyone to enjoy. And trust me, everyone will love it. All right, and there you have it. Told you, real simple, only a few ingredients. Tastes fantastic. I know it sounds weird with the combination of the mustard and the brown sugar and stuff, but it tastes really, really good. You should definitely give this a try and let me know what you think. While you're down in the comments, while you're down there, go ahead and comment whether you tried this or not and whether you like it or if you change anything about it. While you're down there, go ahead and hit the little subscribe button and a little bell doohickey and a thumbs up to let me know you like this video. I hope to see you around.